everyone, good day and welcome back to Momcon's TV. Today, it's cooking time with Momcon. Alright, let me thank first all who subscribed on my channel, and as of today, I have
Amazing!
113 subscribers. Thank you so much. And to those who wanted to get some tips and learn some lessons, you're all welcome. Just keep on pushing that button. Okay, today I am going to give you simple tips on how you're going to cook Ampalaya con Carne in a simple and Filipino way. Let me tell you some short story behind this video. Yesterday, I cooked Ginisang Ampalaya for lunch and decided to document it and share this video on my channel to give some tips to those beginners like me. Disclaimer, I am not a chef, I am not a cook, but I can cook. Alright, what is Ampalaya con Carne? Again, in Filipino, it is called as Ginisang Ampalaya. It is a beef stir-fry dish with bitter gourd, but instead of using beef, I used ground pork because it is the one available on my fridge. It is a tasty and delicious dish that is easy and quick to make. Ingredients. Very important. Someone gave me a secret na ang sikreto daw sa masarap na lutuin at masarap na ulam, wag mong titipirin sa rekado. Check for your ingredients, prepare it before you start cooking. Alright, first ingredient, 8 cloves of garlic chopped. Next is 1 onion chopped. I use a regular size of onion. Next is 1 tomato chopped. I have used a not so ripe tomato, but for best results, please use a ripe one. Next, 1 bitter gourd or ampalaya chopped. Two eggs scrambled. Please be sure to scramble it. 1/8 ground pork. Other ingredients: 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, pepper, and granulated seasoning. You are going to prepare all your ingredients or the amount of your ingredients depending on the number of serving you are planning. And next is, I will show you a video on how I cook my Ginisang Ampalaya. Hope you learned something and enjoy cooking.